Welcome to this technical guide on the HP AIO. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Today, we're addressing a common issue many users face, a painfully slow HP AIO. When your device is dead slow and takes forever to open anything, it can be incredibly frustrating. This problem usually arises from inadequate RAM or a failing hard drive. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable over time. To get started with our repair, you'll need a few tools. Firstly, grab a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and of course, the replacement RAM and hard drive. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process of getting your HP AIO back up to speed. Begin by ensuring your device is powered off and unplugged. Place it on a flat, stable surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Be sure to keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Carefully pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips or connectors. Once you have access to the internals, you'll want to locate the RAM and hard drive. The RAM sticks are typically situated near the center of the device, secured by metal clips on either side. Gently push these clips apart, and the RAM will pop up. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, let's remove the old RAM. Pull it out gently, avoiding any sudden movements that might affect nearby components. Next, find the hard drive, which is usually located beneath the RAM. It will be secured with screws, so use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect any cables attached to the hard drive. Lift it out gently, ensuring you don't disturb any other components. Now, it's time to install your new hard drive. Place it in the same slot, reconnect the cables, and secure it with the screws you just removed. For the RAM, take your new sticks and align them in their slots. Push down firmly until you hear a click, indicating they're locked into place. With everything replaced, it's time to reassemble your device. Place the back panel back on, ensuring all clips are secured and the screws go back into their original holes. Screw everything back in tightly, but be careful not to over-tighten. Finally, plug your device back in and switch it on. You should notice a significant improvement in speed and performance. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure you regularly check your device's performance and consider upgrading components as needed. Keeping your software updated can also help maintain optimal performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.